So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to align text here on easel. So once you have the easel application opened up on your device, what I want you to do is obviously add some text to your design. So go to the right here, go to this text tab, which is highlighted for me. It's right in between images and layouts. Press on the text tab, then either add a heading, add a subheading, or add a body text. I'm just going to go ahead here and add a heading. I'll make it a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see, just like that. Yeah, perfect. Now, in order to align the text, it's actually pretty straightforward. So as of right now, it actually is defaulted to aligning it to the middle. But if you want it to left align it or right align it, it's works the same way. Press on the text, go to the top bar right here to where it says align in space. So these horizontal lines right here, press on that. And as I mentioned before, if you want to, it's centered right now, you can simply just press on left. If you want to make it go to the left, or you can make it go to the right, and you can make it go to the right just like that. So pretty straightforward. That is how to align text here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.